Welcome to the in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So let's first launch the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. Then you'll see here the ringtone volume panel. Now just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe this green dot to the right side with your finger. And also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button with your finger, then just click here to their settings icon, and you'll see the same ringtone volume panel. Just to unmute ringtone, swipe to the right side, this dot, and then just click here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.